no get money and I dey hitch badly. I dey hungry like Ludi. How I go take get money now? I dey hungry too. See that bookie? I don't get down. I get something for my man. Go meet am. I go meet am. About why they piss for my front of my house now? Why they piss front of my house now?
Well, me I don't know say this place na my house. Well, I don't know say na me I build up for this house. Well, me I just come from Kano. Well, I just enter Lagos. Me I don't know for any place. I don't know for any place. I just come here say make I piss. Well,
and I ain't gonna make you the piss for here now. What my wound you?
Me I don't know say now.
So this place look like enough for your eyes.
No place. Me I don't know.
You better let go so.
I don't know say na me I build up for this house.
Okay, now no wahala now. You go pay for that. How many you don't release for here now?
Okay, well, me I no go lay him. Which I don't put for here now, 25 liters. 25 liters.
25 liters you don't release, have you?
Well, now which I don't.
Okay, now no wahala now. You go pay for that now.
Okay,
Don't know my time.
Okay, me I know,
You don't see that Lagos today.
okay, well, I don't know how to say this place now my house. Okay, me I know hold up for 200 naira. Wait till I get my pocket. Now 10,000 naira me I get. I just enter from Kano to this place. I don't get out for 200 naira. Now 10,000 naira I get.
Okay, no wahala. Bring the 10,000 naira.
The money I give for this place. Well,
go to piss in front of my house.
Well, no best.
Now you know. Want to say now you build that for me now.
I don't know say now me I build up for this house.
Man, take easy. Man, I know whether the money complete.
Well, now 10,000 I did for you. I know.
Complete. Why should you?
Now go there.
Like your parole.
Now go there.
Well, now.
I beg.
But next time, no peace for you.
I know. Well, you see, I won't pour for remaining 10 liters because what I did for my belly, I carry up for 35 liters.
That one a story.
I drink cow piss. I come Lagos.
That one a story they talk. That no peace for you.
I beg make I pour for this one. I know. Well, if I piss on this one, I no go piss on again. Well,
all right.
Now go there. Allah Musa.
Fire away now.
Okay. Well, this one bank Kaliko. Well, I no get time for sales. This man I be mumu. This a piece and the piece of volcano and the fuel for 20 naira. This man I call here I say make I pay for 200. I get 10,000. Well, this man I collect. This man na mumu. I know get sense. I go peace. Next time I go come here. I do peace. I go give you 10,000. Hey, what I want to do for here? Where are the peace?
I want peace now.
You want peace for this place? Well, I don't pay for my money.
Which money? Who they collect money?
Well, I no pay for money. You are go back. I go pay for money. I go come peace for here because this man I get up for this house. I don't collect 10,000 from me and say make I no peace up for here again next time.
So who you give 10,000?
Nah, the man I get up for this house now. I come I say I the peace for here. I collect up for 10,000.
Aboki, this place na gutter. Now here na everybody for this street. Now here with the peace. You feel shit for yourself, Aboki. You go pay 10,000.
Wait, you mean everybody I did for this woman? Now here I the peace I'm free. But I don't give up this man for 10,000. 10,000 I call him come for Lagos. I say what's up
You give us 2,000, no problem.
Wala, you go pay that for that. I go punish her for you. Wala, you, I go give her for me. Me, I go show you what I do for my malu for Kano. I go show you today. Wala, you, I go pay for my money. Wala, I go punish you. Wala, I go pay for my money. I go show you.
Give us.
I go give up for my money.